Hey there, fellow fish enthusiasts. Thinking about upgrading your fish tank? A bigger tank can be a thrilling adventure. More space, more fish, more possibilities. But diving in unprepared, that can lead to costly mistakes, stressed fish, and a whole lot of stress for you too. Today, I am breaking down how to know if you are genuinely ready to upgrade. Plus, I'll guide you through the necessary steps and pitfalls to dodge. Stick with me, because if you nail these steps, your tank upgrade will be one of the most fulfilling moves in the hobby. If you are new here, consider joining our community by liking and subscribing so you do not miss out on these handy guides every week. So, how do you know it's time for a bigger tank? If your fish are outgrowing their space, it might be time. Many beginners forget how big some fish can get. Crowded fish often turn aggressive or stressed, not good. Next, is your water quality a constant battle? If your tank needs non-stop cleaning to stay clear, or your water test results are wild, your bioload might be too high. Or maybe you are dreaming of expanding your aquascape or adding more species. A larger tank could offer natural layouts and better territory separation. If these sound familiar, an upgrade might be in the cards. But wait, here's a critical point. A bigger tank will not solve existing problems without proper prep. In fact, it might make them worse. What does readiness look like? Let's dive in. First, you need to have water cycling down pat. If you cannot confidently cycle a tank and maintain stable parameters, upgrading won't help. You must manage ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate. Next, have a plan for transferring your beneficial bacteria. You are not just moving fish, you are moving an ecosystem. Use established filter media, substrate, and decor to help maintain stability. And do not forget space and support. A bigger tank weighs more. For example, a 55-gallon tank fully set up weighs over 450 pounds. Make sure your floor or stand can handle it. Now let's talk budget. The tank itself is one cost, but filtration, lighting, substrate, heaters, decor, test kits, and maintenance tools add up fast. Do a full cost breakdown before you start. Ready to upgrade? Here's the safe way to do it. Step 1. Set up your new tank and let it run. Even with established media, let it stabilize. Step 2. Transfer old filter media. That's your biological lifeline. Prevents shock and cycle crashes. Step 3. Move fish slowly. Start with hardy species first. Monitor them closely. Step 4. Stick to your old water change routines. An upgrade is not a reset. It's a continuation. Step 5. Watch your parameters daily for the first week or two. A simple test kit is your best friend. And please avoid these common mistakes. Do not add new fish during the upgrade. Let the system stabilize. Do not rinse old filter media in tap water. That kills the good bacteria. Finally, do not rush. Your fish have been in one environment. Sudden changes in temperature or chemistry can shock them. Upgrading a tank is one of the most rewarding milestones in fish keeping. More room for your fish to thrive, more control over the environment, more freedom to create the aquascape you have dreamed of. But remember, preparation and patience are key. If you found this helpful and want more guides, hit like, subscribe, and be part of the family here. We learn, grow, and build better tanks together. Catch you in the next video.